The cream cheese bagel meme has become the latest attempt to overthrow the 6-7 trend in 2025. And if you've seen middle-aged TikToker omg.its.allie casually dismissing internet culture for breakfast food, you've witnessed the cream cheese bagel meme.
The internet's going crazy over 6-7. I'm just over here like, cream cheese bagel. Cream cheese bagel? Cream cheese bagel.
Cream cheese bagel refers to a parody of the 6-7 meme shared by TikToker omg.its.allie in November of 2025. The TikToker, a middle-aged woman, is heard saying, "The internet is going crazy over 6-7. I'm just here like cream cheese bagel." The humor comes from the casual dismissal of a massive internet trend in favor of something completely mundane and unrelated. It's the digital equivalent of saying,
"That's nice, dear,"
when someone excitedly tells you about their interest, except in this case, the entire internet is the excited child, and omg.its.allie is the unbothered parent. In the following weeks, TikTokers began using her sound and spreading cream cheese bagel as an ironic alternative to the 6-7 meme, stemming from other forced meme replacements like the numbers 41, 93, 61, 56, and LMNOP. This meme exists within a long lineage of attempts to create the next 6-7, with each iteration becoming progressively more absurd and self-aware about the futility of replacing such a popular trend. The original video's success came from its perfect encapsulation of generational disconnect and the absurdity of trying to understand or compete with internet trends. There's something inherently funny about someone acknowledging a viral phenomenon's existence while simultaneously declaring their complete disinterest in favor of a breakfast item. The spread of cream cheese bagel followed the typical pattern of audio-based TikTok memes, where creators repurpose the sound in increasingly creative contexts. On December 2nd, TikToker Great Debut Kid shared a JuggTok video that showed geometry-gameplay footage with the words added in a vertically stacked text overlay caption. Over 2 days, the video received over 350,000 likes. The JuggTok format, which typically featured stacked over gameplay footage, proved to be the perfect vehicle for spreading cream cheese bagel audio. The same day brought another major variation. Muilir shared a similar structured JuggTok video that showed Minecraft gameplay footage and combined omg.its.allie's audio with the Bros from Michael audio.
Cream cheese Michael.
This mashup approach demonstrated how the cream cheese bagel audio could be integrated with other existing meme formats, creating hybrid content that appealed to multiple communities simultaneously. The meme's evolution continued with more elaborate edits. On December 3rd, TikToker Slush Kids shared a video that showed the AI baby rotoscoped over the original cream cheese bagel video.
Cream cheese bagel. Cream cheese bagel?
Gaining over 90,000 likes in one day. This version brought together two separate meme trends, the AI baby and cream cheese bagel. In short, cream cheese bagel emerged when TikToker omg.its.allie casually dismissed the 6-7 trend in favor of breakfast food in November of 2025, spawning an ironic alternative meme that spread through JuggTok gameplay videos and AI baby mashups, as the latest in a long line of attempts to create the next 6-7. What meme do you want me to explain next? Let me know in the comments down below after you hit the subscribe button.